Yo, you are building a PC in 2025, but your budget's tight. But guess what? You don't need a $500 graphic card to get the great performance. Today, I've got 5 GPUs under $200 that can absolutely handle 1080p and even some 1440p. Some are new, some are used, but all are worth your attention. Hi, I'm Zaid, a tech tuber here to help you get the best value and save the best you can of money. Let's check out the top 5 budget GPUs of 2025. First up, RX 6600. Honestly, this card is still the king of budget gaming. Around $170 to $190, it has 8GB GDR6, 132 TDP, and in 1080p Ultra, more than 60 FPS in most titles. It's power efficient, runs cool, and beats the RTX 3050 in our performance. If you are buying new, this is probably the safest choice right now. Next, the NVIDIA RTX 2060 Super. Around $140 to $180, it has 8GB GDDR6, 175 watts of TDP, great for 1080p and some 1440p gaming. With ray tracing and DLSS 2, you are getting a solid RTX performance, bare VRAM for modern games and good efficiency. If you want the best NVIDIA value in this range, this is your guy. Coming to the strong RX 5700 XT is around $150 to $180. It has 8GB GDDR6, 225 watt of TDP, excellent for 1440p in high. It doesn't have ray tracing or DLSS, but it outperforms the 2060 in raw FPS. If all you care about is frames per dollar, this is one of the best value picks today. Just make sure your case can breathe. At number 5, the GTX 1660 Ti is around $130 to $150 used. It has 6GB GDDR6, 128 watt TDP, and in 1080p high in most titles. It's got no DLSS or ray tracing, but it's stable, quiet, and perfect for esports or older AAA titles. If you are looking for pure stability and efficiency, this is still a rock solid buy in 2025. Now, if you can stretch your budget just a little, the RTX 3060 is sitting at around $200 to $220 in the used market. And for that price, you are getting 12GB GDDR6 from 170 watt of TDP, great for 1440p ray tracing and DLSS 3. It's a big step up from the 2060 and RX 600 in modern titles. But wait, let me throw this in if you really don't care about driver support. Cards like the GTX 1070 or GTX 1080 are sometimes floating around for $120 to $150. They still perform well in 1080p and 1440p gaming. But NVIDIA has officially dropped driver support of those older Pascal GPUs. That means no more updates, no bug fixes, and no optimization for new games. So, if you go that route, just know what you are getting into. So, there you have it, 5 OSN GPUs under $200 plus a bonus of 2 if you got a bit more to spend.